The early topics of the G20. The G20 primary focus has been governance of the global economy. Summit themes have varied from year to year. The theme of the 2006 G20 ministerial meeting was building and sustaining prosperity, and the issue discussed including domestic reforms to achieve sustained growth, global energy and resources, commodity market reform of the World Bank and IMF, and the impact of demographic changes due to an aging world population. In 2007, South Africa hosted the Secretariat with Trevor Manuel, South African Minister of the Finance, a chairperson of the G20. In 2008, Guido Mantiga, Brazil Minister of Finance, was the G20 chairperson and proposed a dialogue on a competition in the financial market, clean energy, economic development, and financial and fiscal element of the growth and development. On 11 October 2008, after a meeting of G7 finance ministers, US President George W. Bush stated that the next meeting of the G20 would be important in finding solutions to the burgeoning economic crisis of 2008. Summits of G20. The summits of G20 finance minister and central bank governor who prepared the leaders' summits and implement their decision was created as a response both to the financial crisis of 2007 and 2008 and to a growing recognition that key emerging countries were not adequately included in the core of global economic discussion and governance. Additionally, the G20 summits of heads of states or governments were held. After the 2008 debut summit in Washington DC, G20 leaders meet twice a year in London and Pittsburgh in 2009 and in Toronto and Seoul in 2010. Since 2011, when France chaired and hosted the G20, the summits have been held only once a year. The 2016 summit was held in Hangzhou, China. The 2017 summit was held in Hamburg, Germany, and the 2018 summit was held in Buenos Aires, Argentina. A number of other ministerial level G20 meetings have been held since 2010. Agriculture ministerial meetings were conducted in 2011. 2012 meetings of the foreign minister were held in 2012 and 2013. Trade minister met in the 2012 and 2014, and employment ministerial meetings have taken place annually since 2010. In 2012, the G20 Minister of the Tourism and the head of delegation of G20 members countries and other invited states, as well as representatives from the World Trade, Travel and Tourism Council, World Tourism Organization, and the other organizations in the travel or tourism sector met in Merida, Mexico on May 16 of the fourth G20 meeting and focus on tourism as a means to job creation. As a result of this meeting and the World Travel and Tourism Council Visa Impact Research, later on the leaders of the G20 convent in Los Cabos on 18 to 19 June would recognize the impact of travel and of travel tourism as a vehicle for job creation, economic growth and development, and while recognizing the sovereign rights of states to control the entry of foreign nationals, we will work toward developing travel facilitations initiatives in support of job creation, quality work, poverty reduction, and global growth. In March 2014, the former Australian Foreign Minister Julio Bishop, when, when Australia was hosting the 2014 G20 summit in Brisbane, proposed to ban Russia from the summit over its role in the 2014 Crimean crisis. The BRICS foreign minister subsequently reminded Bishop that the custodianship of the G20 belongs to all member states equally, and no one member state can unilaterally determine its nature and characters. Japan hosted the G90 2019 summit. 2020 summit will be in Saudi Arabia. The leaders summit will be held on 21 to 22 November to 2020 in Riyadh. In the run-up to summit, the presidency will host more than 100 meetings and conferences, including ministerial meeting as well as meeting of the official and representative of the civil societies.